Hello guys, in this video I'll show you cool origami pictures. So this is the picture of a dog and you can see it's made up of colorful papers. Next, we have got two unicorns, birds, three birds, one unicorn. We have got five frogs. We've got a dog made up of paper. Then it's a beautiful elephant made up of paper. That's an Avenger made from red paper. Oh, that's a baby dinosaur. This is a unicorn made up of paper. Oh, this Superman is made up of blue and paper. Oh, Spider-Man. A crab. A cow. A sparrow. Another crab. Wow, so beautiful elephants made of paper. Pig. It's a pig. A goat. That's a deer. Oh, that's a cartoon. That's a reindeer. Oh, three koalas made of paper. Two bunnies made of paper. Two sheep hugging each other. Then there are these bunnies. Oh, that's a cartoon. And that's finally also a dog. So subscribe for more videos for kids learning.